Well, I bought this 02 Limited 4Runner. It's got a Rough Country 3-inch lift on it, 33s. And then my 4Runner is 31s and a 3-inch Bilstien lift on it. And with 4th gen rear shocks. With 4th gen rear shocks, it was able to droop down way farther. The Rough Country was only able to go to right there. The Bilstien was able to go all the way up. Rough Country ended right here. Bilstein's up there, so about 3 inches or 4 inches more up that it had to droop down without tire coming off the ground, because I stopped when the tire came off the ground on this one. So the 4th gen rear shocks are the way to go if you're going to put lift and rear shocks on. That seems like it rides pretty good, but I have a lawn chair in the driver's seat, and there's no windshield, no windows, nothing. This one was rolled, but I bought it because it runs smooth, good interior, brand new 33s, new lift. That way we can swap everything into mine, and then take the sport hood for sure and put on mine, and that's gonna dress it up. But yeah, the Rough Country lift did not have the flex that the Bilstien has, so super excited about that for sure. Like I said, with that one we had 4th gen rear shocks, which gives it an inch extra droop. This one's just got the regular 3rd gen Rough Country shocks, and the tire's about a foot off the ground just to get to the same mark as the Bilstien was. So that was the mark. So just to get to the same mark, the tire is way up on the ground. This one was on the ground, which is way better for stability. And we're going to throw these 33s on mine, which will make it a lot more stable, and bigger tire, make it roll over stuff a lot easier. And so I think with 4th gen rear shocks on the Rough Country lift, it'd be about the same, but with the factory shocks, has no droop compared to what the 4th gen shocks allow for. The end result of the Rough Country versus the Bilstien lift, I could not tell how the Rough Country rode because I was sitting in a lawn chair versus a factory seat. It may ride just as good. Couldn't tell though. It felt harsh. It felt more stiff to me, but with it being a lawn chair, I couldn't tell anything. I know my Bilstien rides really smooth, way better than factory was. But with the 4th gen 4Runner rear shocks, it gives it an extra 2-inch droop. So I think throwing 4th gen shocks on the back of the Rough Country lift, it would flex just the same, and the spring should stay in. But with it having just the factory size shock for a 3-inch lift, it didn't have as much droop as the 4th gen 4Runner did. They both look like they're built really good. I wouldn't see the Rough Country giving out. So if you wanted to save $200–300, I would go that route and just buy 4th gen rear shocks.